In this FaceForm review, I'm going to be showing you a tool in which you could be making these faceless videos and build this faceless channels, and you could be potentially making money with it. I'm going to show you an example of the kind of videos you could be making. So this is Rabbit's Journey, one of YouTube's channel, and if you go to the most popular videos, you can see that it has got a lot of views. So imagine getting 170 million views for your shorts channel. You could be potentially making a lot of sales with affiliate links and all of that. So you could be making like a lot of money, and this channel is making probably a 500 to $1 million per year. So if you go to Social Blade, it's a basically a website which shows you how much revenue these channels are making. So the estimated revenue for this channel is $124,000 to almost $2 million per year. So imagine the kind of money you could be making with these faceless channel. It's huge. So the thing is that you have to create these videos, and the solution to this is where we get this software called FaceForm. It's going to be launched today in the market. And also guys, if you want to check the demo video, I suggest you guys skip this part of the video and you could go to the demo part. So this video is quite long, which is why I'm suggesting you to skip to the demo part. But if you still want to check my review of what I think about the product, you can stick around as well. So you get all these bonuses. So you have got a total of 6 bonuses which you're going to be getting in the members area. So at any time during this video, if you want to get this product, make sure you click the first link in the description. So that's it for the bonus part. And the reason why I think FaceForm is a fantastic product is because Todd is an excellent vendor. He's one of the elite vendor in Warrior Plus. He's one of the top 25 affiliates, and he's a superstar affiliate, as well as he has got 6 featured products that he made, and all of his product has got pretty good reviews on Warrior Plus. He has personally got like 3.5 star to 4-star reviews for his product, which is why I think Todd is a great guy. And Todd is apparently the owner of FaceForm, and this product over here is a fantastic product which you could be using to make all these faceless videos. So you can see this is Todd himself, and he has transformed this into like this, and you could be doing all of this. You could see that the image started moving. You could do all of this in the software. You can see all of that in the demo video if you want to skip it a bit. And let me show you. I saw a Viking one. So the Viking one really looks good, but it's not shown. So let me show you this.
One crazy great benefit of the transform feature is that you could actually do something that I call
So the thing is, this guy is speaking. So these both are the same person, and he has got just a picture of himself. So it has literally, so with the voiceover alone, it's starting to talk. The picture is starting to talk. So that is something you could be doing.
In that movie, of course, they took Brad Pitt and they made him look younger and younger through the movie using older Brad Pitt clips.
So with just a picture and the voiceover also you could be getting in the software, you could be making faceless YouTube videos like pretty easily. And you can see a cowboy, and Todd transformed himself to a cowboy. Let's have a look at this. So there's no video, it's just an animation. There's no sound for this. So as you can see, it has been coolly very transformed, and this is another picture that has been transformed. You could be doing this like pretty easily. And yes, the demo video is you could be seeing by skipping it, and you get like a lot of bonuses. You get up to 6 bonuses, which all of it you're going to be getting in the members area. There was a Viking video. I'm sure it was somewhere here, but I'm not able to find it. Let me see again. I think it's this one. So this was the Viking video. I think this was really good.
Let me represent your brand, Viking Auto, Viking Lawn Care. Viking power washing. I can be your ambassador.
Hi there, I am Francis.
So the Viking was really good, which is why I think the software was really good. I think you could be making pretty cool YouTube automation videos and you could probably replicate this channel, and also you could be doing the same. And also, if you go all the way down till here, you could see what you're going to be getting. You can transform, talking avatars, face swap, and video regeneration. You get commercial ride, you get 25 portraits, upload up to 1 minute videos for transform. You can upload up to 30-second video, generate up to 250 characters. You get 13 AI voices, 720p resolution, produce 50 total videos per month. You get 30-day guarantee and all of that. You get it all for just $14, which is also cool. By the time it's uploaded, my videos uploaded, you will get this in the market. And also, what's more important is you will get a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like this product, you can return to Todd back at any time. So it's completely okay. So overall, I think it's a very cool software. And also, talking about the different OTOs and upgrades, they have got like three OTOs, and they have got the third OTO is the OTO unlimited, in which you get probably unlimited amount of, it's only like upload 1 minute, you could be getting like 10-20 minutes or even unlimited videos. So there is actually, this is only the front end. You could be accessing the OTOs once you purchase the $14 one. So if you like the product and if you find it useful, then you could probably upgrade it. So that's basically it for this video. Now you could go ahead and watch the demo video which was prepared by Todd, and that's it. Now if you want to check out FaceForm, you can click the first link in the description. So that's basically it. Now watch the demo video, guys.
Welcome to FaceForm, where you could do everything from video transformations, talking avatars, replicate new videos and images from old using prompts, and last but not least, perform face swaps on images and videos, and do it all from this one easy to navigate dashboard. Let's start at the top. As you can see, you can bounce from feature to feature with ease, transform, talking avatars, face swaps, and replicate media. So let's start with transform. This is where you could take a source video of someone talking or singing and turn the subject of that video into another character using a single image. And the process is super easy. Let me show you. Start by uploading your image or using a prompt to generate your image here. Let's use this prompt for this example. I am going to type in Peter Pan, and let's see what we get. The portrait generator will supply an image based on my prompt. Look, there we have it. It's Peter Pan. Now I want to upload the video. I want to be transformed into Peter Pan. Let's choose this one. Now, once it's uploaded, I could play it back if I want. We've got a multifaceted AI design tool that will have you and your subscribers transformed. Delete it or upload a different one, but this is the one I want. The third and final step to transform this video is to click Generate Video. Easy as that. That immediately starts the transformation. You could check the progress of your project renders here. You can click and see older projects, or you can create a new project. So you can be creating multiple projects at once. Let's go ahead and do that. This time, let's upload an image of Santa Claus. And I'll use the same source video file that I just used. And then click Generate Video. It's that easy. I just started another project just like that. Now let's check the projects. They usually render in under a minute depending on the size, so literally in a matter of seconds, you have completely transformed videos. Let's see how they turned out. Peter Pan, We've got a multifaceted AI design tool that will have you and your subscribers transform. That's just amazing. And now Santa Claus. We've got a multifaceted AI design tool that will have you and your subscribers transform. Can you believe that? I just turned myself into Peter Pan and Santa Claus in like 2 minutes. Okay, that was the transform feature, but now let's take a look at the talking avatar features. Let's look at it right here. It's so simple to navigate and create because the UI doesn't change from feature to feature. The difference here is that you don't have to use your own voice. You could choose from a variety of AI voices, so this is completely AI generated, nothing to upload unless you want to. Let me show you. To get started, you can upload your own image or conjure a character up in your head and describe them. This time, let's put in a mid-30s male with red hair and glasses that looks like a mechanic and click Create. Nice, there's our mechanic. Now let's type what we want him to say. I'm a certified technician and I'm ready to tune your car. More horses, more torque, tighter handling, you name it, I could do it. Bring your car down to my shop, Ross's Rides, and we'll get tuning. Now I need to select the voice for my mechanic. You could preview the voices to see what sounds the best.
Hello, this is a demo of the voice you have selected.
Let's use Charlie for this application. I'll select it and then I can click play here to make sure it sounds the way I want it to.
I'm a certified technician and I'm ready to tune your car. More horses, more torque, tighter handling, you name it, I can do it. Bring your car down to my shop, Ross's Rides, and we'll get tuning.
If it doesn't, I can change my voice prompt or simply regenerate the audio and it will have a different sound. I'm happy with this, so all that's left is to click Generate Video and it's being processed. Now, just like Transform, you can create multiple talking avatar projects at once, and the projects you see here are just talking avatar projects. They are separate from anything I create in the other features. So it looks like Ross the mechanic is done rendering. Let's check the results.
I am a certified technician and I'm ready to tune your car. More horses, more torque, tighter handling, you name it, I can do it. Bring your car down to my shop, Ross's Rides, and we'll get tuning.
Wow, did you see that? The lip sync is perfect, 100% natural looking. It's crazy what FaceForm can do and do it so quickly. Onto the face swap feature. Next, you can also perform face swaps for videos and images all within this very dashboard. And that's why it's here, because while it may not be our brand newest technology, within FaceForm, it opens up the doors to even more versatility for your video and image productions. We just couldn't leave it out. Let me show you. So the great thing about it is you're diving into another way to create literally with a click. And the actions are still the same as within Transform and Talking Avatars. The only difference is right here. You could toggle between images and videos depending on what you want to face swap. You could still create AI portraits with prompts to use in your face swaps right here, or upload an image. And again, over here, you can upload the video or image you want to change the face of. For this example, I'm going to face swap a video I created with Transform so you could witness the sheer versatility this mind-blowing platform can offer. So first, I'm going to grab an image of the face I want to swap into the video. And why not? Let's select me. And for the video, I'm going to use this Transform video right here. And once it's uploaded, you know the next step already. Click Generate. Now, while that is processing, I just want to show you all of your recent face swaps will be stored over here. I really love how it's separate. It keeps me organized. Okay, it's done processing, so let's look at the result. Let me represent your brand, Viking Auto. Viking Lawn Care, Viking Power Washing. I can be your ambassador. It's just mind blowing what I'm able to do with just a few clicks, what I can create, and that's still not it. In fact, the next feature, called Replicate Media, may be the big one among everything I've shown you already. Yeah, make sure you're sitting down before you continue watching this demonstration. Let's move on to Replicate Media. This is Replicate Media. Again, the same user interface, and there's nothing new to learn here. And like I said, this may be the most powerful feature of any I've already shown you. It's simple. Upload any stock video or old video here, type in what you want to change about the video, and click Regenerate. Let's do it. First, let's find a video to replicate. I am going to go to Pexels for this example and grab a video. Let's see. This looks good. A close-up view of a woman smiling. So I'm going to download and upload into FaceForm Replicate Media. So what do we want to change it to? Well, let's say turn the woman in the video into an African American mid-20s model. And then we'll click Regenerate to see the result. Oh my goodness. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Magic before your very eyes. We have a mid-20s African American model before our eyes. Can you imagine? This is unlimited video media, how you want it. Just simply find a stock video that you want to change and change it with your words. It's unreal, and FaceForm has it. Transform videos, create talking avatars, face swap images and videos, and replicate media. Do it all from one dashboard with FaceForm in a matter of seconds.